Hey, welcome to Ceilings Floors. I'm Matt Ceiling. We are now doing wall tiling. So we're gonna tear out this bathroom and put it right back up. New tile, new valves for the shower. So yeah, we're gonna learn how to do everything from tear out to prepping the walls. So you're gonna get your studs and lines square, and then putting the board up, and then obviously in the end putting the tile in the grout. We're leaving the tub, so we've actually covered it already. And we're gonna make this thing look awesome. We're also gonna be doing the shower, the floor. So we're gonna show you how to do wall tile, which we haven't done that yet, so you get to finally see that. And then we're gonna do another bathroom floor. And if you wanna see any different things, I also have other videos on Ceilings Floors and YouTube, and they're obviously elsewhere as well. So looking forward to where we're going with this, and you guys should be able to learn tons, and I'm gonna have fun showing you. All right, we will see you soon when we get to some actual tear out. All right, so here we are. This is the bathroom as you see it now. Now this is a nice tile job. There's a lot of great things about it, but as I was explaining before, this shower valve, don't go no name brand. Once you do and something bad happens, there is nothing you can do about it because you cannot get parts for it. I'm a big believer of Moen, Kohler. There's a lot of great names out there, so just make sure you don't cheap out on the shower valve, because that's what can happen. So all this is going to be taken down, and the floor as well. We're going to change that up. So right now this is granite, and there was an issue with it. We had done underneath is actually some vinyl, and as I've stated many times in other videos, do not put vinyl underneath tile, because as you can see here, hopefully you can see the cracks, how the grout has come out. Still hard to see, but the end result is make sure you strip your floor down to the base and then go from there. Let's get to it. We got lots of work to do.